In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create scrolling and credit in Canvas by step. Let's get started. I've already created the scrolling and the credit. I'll show you the preview, so let's take a look. Yeah, it looks good. So I'll walk you through the step from the scratch. So just delete everything. So make sure to select the video format before you start creating. Otherwise, you can't make this scrolling and credit effect. So once you open the blank canvas, add the page and select the background and change the color to black. And then paste the text. In this tutorial, I've already prepared the text generated by the AI. Just paste it here. Next, drag it down to the edge of this canvas. And please make sure the top of the text is still visible, not to hide everything. Otherwise, you can't select text anymore. And then zoom out the canvas like this big. And then next, select the text and go to animate and click on this create an animation. And then hold down the shift key and drag the text all the way up to where you want it to be. So if your zoom out is not there enough, so you can't drag any further, because as you can see, my cursor is all the way up to this screen, so you can't go any further than that. So if that's the case, you have to zoom out a little bit more. And then change the duration of your background. So let's say 25 seconds or 20 seconds like this. And let's take a look at the preview. Yeah. And if it's not looks smooth, just select this animation and click on movement style and select steady. You can also adjust the speed by using this speed slider. You can make it slow down like this. So let's take a look. Yeah, I think it looks perfect. If this is okay for you, so you can just download it. However, if you want to add the back screen, you can do so. So just zoom in the canvas and select the background and add any element you want. So just drag it in between of this. And drag it, the duration, adjust the duration, and that's it. So it looks perfect. Yeah, there you have it. Thank you for watching.